I'm going to demonstrate about OneDrive to Odoo syncing. Before we start syncing, first we have to map folder from Odoo to OneDrive or OneDrive to Odoo. Currently I have created one directory as folder 2. In OneDrive, I map this folder named as folder 2. As you can see in OneDrive, folder 2 is created. We refresh this page in OneDrive. As you can see, folder 2 is created over here. Now I am uploading documents from OneDrive. Inside this folder 2, I am going to upload one file. Currently, as you can see, folder 2 is empty in Odoo. There is no record. Now we run schedule action from OneDrive to Odoo. You can see one file created in Odoo as well. You can also verify which direction is OneDrive to Odoo. Now upload one more file. Come back to the OneDrive. Upload one more file. I have uploaded one file. Now in Odoo, run this schedule action. You can see one more queue created OneDrive to Odoo. We can see inside this folder 2, we have two files which we uploaded in OneDrive.